A very good morning. Thanks for clicking on to the Sunday, the 16th of July edition of Vogan's US Outlook. We've seen the warmest start to June 1st through July 11th period on record for many parts of the western half of the country, stretching from Vegas, Tucson, and up to Reno, as well as Salt Lake City. Within the past 100 and odd years, we've never seen a warmer such period, a warmer first half to summer than we have this year. Certainly no surprise, really, given the temperatures that we've seen and the persistency and intense heat this year compared to recent years. But certainly it has been, on the flip side of the coin, rather cool across parts of New England. The temperature at Hartford only reached 65 degrees, which was the coldest July daytime high in over 12 years, just back a few days ago. But what we are going to see is we're going to look at the GFS 2 meter temperature anomaly for the next 5 days and looking beyond through the next 16 days overall. And blue areas here representing, of course, cooler than normal conditions, stretching from the northern side of Mexico into southern parts of Arizona and New Mexico. A lot of the reason why is because we've got a lot of moisture coming in from Mexico into the southwest, triggering showers, thunderstorms, and of course tempering the heat. We've still got plenty of warmth across much of California, Nevada, Utah, and of course the drought areas of the northern Rockies and Plain states. We are going to continue to see some fairly warm temperatures overall. To the east of the plains, this general region here so far this summer has been very up and down. Yeah, we've got heat, we've had humidity, we've also seen plenty of wet, cool days as well this summer, and I think that theme of changeable weather is going to maintain itself as we go through into the month of August. So, upcoming 5 day period, plenty of heat across the plains, not so much across Texas, and not so much across the Pacific Northwest. We've got a cool around the Great Lakes as well, and a lot of this average stuff here across the southern half of the country extending into Texas. A lot of that is because of shower and thunderstorm activity here that's tempering the heat. Looking into the 6 to 10 day period of the ensemble, and you can see here that we've got cool in the northeastern half of the country, warmer than normal across the Carolinas and pretty much throughout the whole of southeast and Florida, as well as the plain states. We've got more in the way of warmth once again across the western half of the country. So generally it's a warmer than normal theme. We are going to continue to see some very hot conditions extend from the central portion of the plain states through and into the southeastern half of the country, but considerably cooler than normal if you notice here across the Great Lakes and particularly New England. Really, temperatures a little bit less cool along the coastline here, and even the 11 to 15 day period here, you notice here that the heat really regroups once again over the drought areas of Montana and the Dakotas here. Plenty more heat to speak about as we end the month of July. Cool across the Great Lakes and down into the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, as well as the northeast as well. But we're going to maintain a kind of back and forth here across the eastern half of the country. But I think on the grand scheme of things, we're going to maintain a hot pattern across the western half of the country. And I think the heat is going to continue to worsen over the drought areas of the northwest here. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back in the next few days, hopefully. Bye for now.